Hi everyone, welcome back again. Hope you all are staying safe and healthy. In this video, I am going to show how to make a simple red velvet cake. Hope you will like it. Keep watching. Take 1 cup of milk in a bowl and add 1.5 teaspoons of vinegar and mix well. Add few drops of red color and mix well and keep this aside. In a bowl, take 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half teaspoon of baking soda. Sieve and mix the dry ingredients and keep this aside. In another bowl, take 100 grams of unsalted butter at room temperature. Beat the butter until smooth using an hand mixer or an electric stand mixer. Scrape down from the sides and bottom of the bowl as and when required and beat well. Add 1 cup of sugar and beat on medium-high speed until light and fluffy, about 3 to 4 minutes. In between, scrape down from the sides and bottom of the bowl and beat well. Take 3 eggs at room temperature and add 1 egg at a time and beat well after each addition. Alternatively, add the flour mixture in 3 additions with the buttermilk in 2 additions, beginning and ending with the flour. And gently fold in the batter. In the meantime, preheat your oven at 180 degrees for 10 minutes and place the oven rack in the center of the oven. Butter 2 7-inch round cake pans and line the bottom of the pans with parchment paper, or you can dust it with flour and dust off the excess flour and divide the batter equally in the 2 pans. Bake the cake in the preheated oven at 30 to 45 minutes or until The toothpick inserted in the center of the cake comes out clean. Tap the tin twice to release the excess air bubbles. Cool the cakes in their pans on a wire rack for 10 minutes. Then place a wire rack on top of the cake pan and invert, lifting off the pan. Layer the cakes using a serrated knife once the cake has completely cooled. Take 1 cup of whipping cream. Beat the whipping cream until you get a stiff paste. Place a cake board on the turntable and apply some whipping cream. Place a cake layer on top of it and apply the sugar syrup. Apply the whipping cream evenly on the cake layer and place the second layer of cake on top of the whipping cream. Apply sugar syrup and again the whipping cream. After placing the final layer of cake, cover the sides and top of the cake with the whipping cream. And before the final decoration, place the cake in the refrigerator for half an hour to set. You can do the final decoration as per your wish. Here I am preparing the ganache and adding a few drops of color and then pouring the ganache on top of the cake. The very tasty and easy red velvet cake is now ready. Do try out this recipe and send me your feedbacks. Don't forget to give a thumbs up if you like this video and share with your friends and family. That's all for today's video. Hope you all will like this video. See you with more videos. Until then, stay safe, stay healthy. Bye bye.